Chapter 1, Plant Classification Principles. What is taxonomy? Branch of science concerns with classification. Involves describing, naming, and classify the organisms. Goal is the goal is to establish a system that reflects the true evolutionary relationships between species.
Important terms: phylogeny, evolution history of a species or a group of organisms. Classification, assembling and categorizing various organisms based on their similarities and difference. Phylogeny classification, natural classification system which show the evolution relationship for the study organism.
Taxonomy importance enables biologists to manage increasing amount of information and data into a system catalog. Communication and information sharing can be possible using one command universal language. Allows the better understanding of biodiversity and naturally related organisms.
There are two important groups of plant. One is angiosperm, which is a flowering plant. Gymnosperm, a non-flowering plant.
Kingdom Plantae. One of the most important phylum Agiospermata. Agiosperms seeds bearing plants of the phylum Agiospermata in which the ovules are enclosed in an ovary which develops into the fruits and fertilization. Divide into two main classes. One is monocotyledons and dicotyledons. The main characteristics having flowers and seeds. Seeds development from ovary, complex vascular tissues.
Important of angiosperm is for major fruit crops such as corn, wheat, rice, and building materials to make cloth, rope, medicine, rubber, perfume, and oil.
Gymnosperms. Gymnosperms mainly wood plants that include older like living trees, trees like corn, pine, 5,000 years old, most massive trees, up to 370 feet tall, 41 feet wide. Tallest living trees.
Gymnosperm, seeds plant that do not have flower or fruit. Gymnosperm seeds are usually protected by corn and economically important because the wood are used for building and paper product. Pine trees are used for produce resin to make soap, turpentine, paint, and ink. Some conifer are used to make an important anti-cancer drugs. Fertilization. There are two types of corn, which is male and female. For pollination system is by transfer the pollen from the male reproductive structure to the female structure of the seed plant.
Gymnosperms and angiosperms. Angiosperms. Flowers sit in ovary. Many insects pollinated evergreen uh, all life cycle and habitats non-resinous and ze- zel- xylem
Xylem.
xylem
Vessel.
vessels, gymnosperms, cones, naked seed, usually wind pollinated, mostly evergreen, mostly perennial shrub of trees, often dry habitats. Uh,
Three.